So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at 118,176. Yep, 179. And the overall situation of Bitcoin is really, really fun. It looks a bit scary, but that is because it's on 1 hour. I'll change that for you just a second. Now it is on 1 day, and what I had promised with you previously is actually in action. As you can see, it failed at $120,000, didn't close 2 daily candles above it. I'm talking about this dotted line. We only had a wick, the bodies of the candle, not the green one, not even the red one. They didn't bother closing above that area. And as we discussed how important it is for Bitcoin to close above 120, because if you're talking about 130, 140, 150, whatever target is that is being promised to you by any influencer out there, for all that to happen, to go and enter into that promised land, we need to stabilize above 120. Just like it was playing this game with 110 for multiple months. I think we have played this game for at least 4 or 5 months. It is pretty much the same case scenario right now. Bitcoin needs to do. It doesn't necessarily needs to play the game of 120, go to 120, then drop towards 97. I'm not saying that it needs to play that dramatic game, but I'm just saying that if it wants to actually go up, start the upward journey, it wants to turn more bullish from here, it needs to capture 120. If it is not able to live above 120 for more than 2 days, close 2 daily candles above it, then you need to understand Bitcoin is lagging behind and the volume and everything is missing. And it makes sense. It makes sense because you need to understand the higher the Bitcoin price goes, the more and more and more complicated it becomes to push it. I'll simplify it for you. Let's say that previously to push Bitcoin price up by 2%, you needed $1 billion. I'm just making it up. Now, if you want to push it 2%, you need $2 billion. And as it continues to go up, the harder it is going to become. The whole planet can hold Bitcoin and no one sells, but you can't fucking push it up because it is becoming more and more problematic because the market cap is growing. And that's simple math. I mean, I don't even need to explain it, but I had to. Anyway, if it is not capturing 120, then I think you should pretty much become ready. That is my cat. His name is Gara. Then you need to pretty much become ready for the journey towards 115 and then eventually back to the most important area where it struggled for so long, 110. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. I don't think there is anything else for me to add. Let me look at it on a shorter time frame. Yep, same old, same old. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.